subscribe as jij nou. Jy is op my channel. So welkom terug. Welcome back to my channel. For today we're switching it up a bit. I am trying something new where I will be placing a sped up version of my video for the first 2 minutes, and then if you would like to see more of an in-depth tutorial of how I did this makeup look, it will be in the end where you can watch through it and hear what I have to say about the products and how to use them and why I am using them. If you want to see how I created this look, please keep on watching.
I gave you everything, held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me, hold your hand while the pain was over, keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere. Yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me, hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything, held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world.
So my studio setup changed, and I'm not kidding when I say it is life-changing. Literally the only thing that changes is the fact that I have a table right in front of me right now, so everything can be packed out and displayed, and I don't have to turn around, and I don't have to do this thing with the chair where it goes all squeaky. Yay. Okay, so with today's look, I'm not going to be going too bold. I'm going to be focusing more on my skin. First, I'm going to start off with the Pink Cosmetics Hyaluronic and Vitamin B Serum. Just do 3 pumps in my hand. Ooh. And then apply it to my face. The Pixi Beauty Vitamin C Lotion. So using like a pea-sized amount. Rubbing it to my hands. And then pressing it into my skin. I will do just a little drop of the Pixi Beauty Vitamin C Serum. I love serums. I'm going to do a little bit on my forehead and then a drop on my chin. Yes, I am about to glow. You better believe that. Okay, so the 2 foundations I will be using is both from MAC. The one is the Studio Fix Fluid and the other one is the Face and Body. So this one is a very sheer coverage, and it ends with like glowy skin compared to the Studio Fix Fluid, which is full coverage and dries as a matte. I am gonna mix the two to get a bit of a lighter coverage foundation. Trying in with my new brush from Dew Colors. So as you can see, as I'm applying the foundation, it's giving me coverage. Even though the foundation is still wet, you'll see as it starts drying, it's not going to end up drying down to like a complete matte finish. My Pro Longwear concealer from MAC as well. Just going to do a little dot under the eye. So I just put a little dot under the eye. I'm going to pick up half of it and just transfer it to the other side. So I like using my finger to just pat it into the area where I'm going to need the most coverage. So that would basically be the blue area, which makes me look like I haven't slept in a month, which is not completely untrue. So just lightly pat, pat, pat. I'm gonna go over my eye. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Amber. So this I will be using as my contour shade, and I want to do this while everything is like still kind of wet. Yeah. So first I'm gonna do my nose. I'm just gonna do the size of my nose. Then, favorite part, cheekbones. I'm gonna run it from the top of my cheekbone on the actual bone. So if you do it on the place where your contour should be, you're gonna end up with a shadow on your bottom jawline, and you don't want that. So you want to actually create the shadow on your cheekbone. Because if you end up blending it, it's gonna blend a little bit lower by itself. And then just going in with my brush from Real Techniques again. I'm just gonna use like little circular motions to buff it out. I'm like not using this Alice band correctly. Wait. Okay. Start setting anything, I'm gonna go in with my cream highlighter from Milk, and I'm just gonna dab it on my cheekbones, tip of my nose, and cheekbones. It's very pretty, very natural. I'm just gonna use the brush I used for foundation to kind of blend in the edges. If you don't, you'll literally end up with a solid dot. So maybe not, but you can see it still gives like a natural radiant glow. Yes, that is what we want. But what do we want? Glowy skin. What voice? I'm gonna go in with my bronzer. It is in the shade Swiss Chocolate from MAC, and I'm using my dual color brush, a powder brush. And I'm just basically gonna run on the cream contour that I did, warming it up a bit, because the cream contour I used is a very cool tone and this is a warm one. With my cool tone contour, I'm gonna go in with a warm one as well. So you've got a contour and a bronze, and this is the bronzing part. Around the nose, around the perimeters of the face basically. Our setting, I'm gonna use a little flat brush. It's like a angled flat brush from G Color. I'm gonna place it under my eyes. Because I want glowy skin, I don't want too much of the glow being taken away by powder. But there are a few strategic places that I am going to be placing powder. So it would be on all the places my skin gets really oily fast, and then contour. Yeah. I will basically just be filling in the brows where I feel that they are sparse. So to me that would be just brushing up the brow, then creating a few hair in the front, and then flicking the brush through the brow as I go. And this is where I need the most coverage, because my tail is sparse. My brow's tail is sparse. So just creating little strokes as I go. and then just using the spoolie as well to just brush through the product so it doesn't end up all in one place. So I'm going to be using a 210 brush from MAC and Black Track from MAC as well. Tongue twister. So this is a gel product and it allows you to glide, especially with a brush like this. So I'm picking up a bit of product on my little brush, and as I'm picking up the product I'm flattening the brush so that the end looks like you can barely see it. So there's to the side, there's a side I'm going to be using, so I can do really thin lines. Here we go, bits for my assembly. Okay, and as we all know, that's the easy part. But I'm gonna make them even first, and then I'll go into the flick. Start with the flick. So I'm gonna be working I'm gonna try and work towards the end of my brow. So trying to flick it outwards to the end of my brow. So at least they're going the same direction. Yes, like he's nervous. Oh, okay. Let's do this. Stop touching it, because if you mess with it too much, you're gonna ruin it. Seriously, you're gonna ruin it. Okay, then just using a fluffy brush, I'm gonna use the Dew Colors one. I'm just gonna go into a light brown eyeshadow shade, just for the crease, just to make it slightly darker so it has slightly more definition. Using a very light brown. And then I'm gonna be going in with mascara. So I'm using the Essence I Love Extreme Curl and Volume Mascara. Not a fan of the brush, but I really do like the mascara itself. So I usually use it on like a spoolie, but I'm out of spoolies. So I'm just going to use it like this. As soon as that is dry, I'm going to go into the bottom lash line as well. Lashes right now would have been bomb, but no, not today. Go in with this is like a reddish lipstick from MAC. I have not used it before. It is from the new Powder Kiss range. So the packaging is like all nice and smooth and soft. So let's go. I did use my Pink Cosmetics lip scrub before this. So I feel like the color of the lipstick looks a lot better on camera than it actually does in person, because in person it's very... it's like very patchy. Yeah. So this is my finished look. It's something that's really quick. I'm more focused on skin, like glowy, natural, healthy skin. So I usually choose which area of my face I spend the most time on. If I'm going to be spending a lot of time on my skin, I try to keep everything else simple. So I would not really go in with like a bold eye with a lot of detail and glitter and shimmer and lashes. So I feel like a winged liner with a nice red lip is something that's simple. It's very elegant. And so this is our end result as seen before. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you liked about it, if there's anything that you would try on yourself, or if you just like me struggled with winged liner, because I would appreciate to know that I am not alone. But I hope you have an absolutely fantastic day. Once again, thank you so much for watching my video, and then I will see you on the next one. Have a blessed day.